So we're a little bit lost. Revolving gate. Classic James behaviour.
47 minutes late.
It's like it's chewing gum, isn't it? Can you believe I forgot my Cafeteria? What, you think I do it for the exercise?
Mate, you know I have to take the piss, don't you?
Don't we think we're going the right way? Hello and welcome. Today we are in the Lake District. Yay, more specifically Hawkshead, which is a childhood favourite of mine. I used to come here all the time when I was a kid, but me and James have come here for the week and I promise it's not going to be another 10-part vlog video. I'll give you a little tour of the place later on, but for now we're going to go out on our very first walk.
A few inches later.
How many miles have we walked?
500 yards. Oh, don't get out of my suit. This is what it's going to be like for most of the week.
Feeling like you're on some Teddy Bear Grylls survival show.
Yeah, I am. Easy peasy. Easy. I can't really remember this walk, even though we named it Kate's Walk, because it was the shortest walk out of the walks that we used to do as a kid, but I can't really remember it, so we're just gonna have to hope for the best, rely on my memory. Not always a good thing. Anyway, I think this is Grizedale Forest. Isn't it beautiful? I always find when hiking I'm concentrating on where I'm walking rather than actually taking in the surroundings. So we're a little bit lost, but I think this is a road, and I said to James that all roads lead to roads, and that's Mountaineering 101. We're just going to follow the road, I guess. Is this one?
Signposted.
It just says cycle routes, I think. Okay, well, I think this one. I think this is the place, and I think there's some like benches, or they used to be. If there's not anymore, then we're just going to have to find a tree stump or something. Hat, scarf, gloves, we're on, and we think we're going the right way. We've not found a bench yet for lunch. Sheep! I think we do go through someone's house. Not actually through it, you know, not through the living room or anything. I'm just passing by. I got you in the end. Brad.
Okay.
Wow, how pretty!
Not good, have
One question.
What?
What will it ever end?
Just walk.
No, you're winding me up from the time.
Oh. Why are we doing that then?
Why would I want it then?
Yeah. Alright, buddy.
Oh, I didn't get anything.
Sorry.
That's alright. It's very well behaved.
That was a picnic at 100 yards.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I wondered why he was running off quickly.
Yeah.
Makes sense now.
Yeah. Food.
Okay, let's go.
You winding me up?
Doesn't sound like me.
Okay, let's go. We made it. That's cute.
They're a bit too advanced for me.
Yeah, got you only like colourful numbers, don't you?
Yeah, or the ones where you flick through the pictures and make a story out yourself. Oh, ice cream, let's go. You're literally back here now.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh.
Can you sit on the cow?
No.
Run for a picture.
You can't sit on the cow.
Oh,
You
what's
want?
the point?
But look, it literally says, this cow has no brains. Use your own and don't sit or climb on her as she may kick. Yeah. Thanks.
Show us. Hold it in one hand. Don't open them.
Can I open it now?
Yeah.
Ew, what is it? It's a perch.
What do you reckon?
I'm alright, but I
I
think...
think someone he's been having the old sweet corn. You can feel them in there.
No.
And the old buds in there.
And you got an ice cream.
It's the middle of summer. What's wrong with having ice cream?
November, bro. Looking forward to some of those. Do you want to give a little introduction of what we're doing today?
We are driving in a car
In a car.
to your parents' place.
Yeah.
Go on a walk, and we are only 47 minutes late, so we're doing pretty well.
And whose fault is that?
Clearly yours.
Yeah, mine. Definitely mine. I've never ever been on time for anything. Actually, the only time that I was on time was for my birth.
No.
Yeah, I
No,
was
no, no,
bang
no.
on the due date.
Oh, I thought you were going to say birthday, and I'm like, no, you're definitely not.
No,
We had
when
to
I-
call and cancel or postpone the fake reservation for the
Oh
table.
yeah. Oh, that's
Yeah, no, no.
No, yeah.
On,
On the day that I was born,
right.
that's the only time that I've been on time.
Ever heard of the saying, start as you mean to go on? Or?
Yeah.
Clearly not.
No, maybe not. A little bit of a background then.
How's it go?
A little bit of a background. My parents came up a couple of days before us. It's a bit of a coincidence that they booked the same week as us. But they're also in the Lake District, so we are going to go meet them today for a walk up to Stock Ghyll, I think. Stock Ghyll waterfall, because they are in Ambleside at the moment. So off we go, and it's a little bit misty, rainy today, which is what I like.
No good.
It's not what James likes, but I like the Lake District when it rains, because that's the definition of the Lake District. Rainy weather and autumnal
Johnny, a whip
vibes.
from us.
In there. There he is.
Oh, they're all the way over there. Isn't that ironic that we've got the map
Yeah.
and they've just gone ahead and we're the ones behind? Whoa.
On the right side of that tree, see it?
Yeah.
Black and white.
Yeah?
Zebra.
Sheep.
Zebra.
I think I kissed your teeth.
Did I test you?
Thank you. First time for everything. Revolving gate! It's like a Tomb Raider walkthrough, isn't it? Yeah. Spikes.
We met a couple called Nick and Pam.
No. Did you? Tarn Hows, probably.
Cross over the castle bridge and immediately turn left.
I think Mum wants to walk up there. Oh, look, a little sheep. Having a sit down.
Just chilling.
Yeah.
Looks like it's chewing gum, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, little buddy.
He's off.
He's not ready to go to the butcher's yet.
Hey.
He's hiding.
Yeah. John. Thank you, sir. Can you believe I forgot my Caftrio and Kaleido?
You're joking.
Can you believe that?
Yes.
How can I forget? Caftrio and Kaleido. But thankfully, because James is here, he's bought an extra one basically for himself because he starts his new pack next Saturday, so I can use his. Well, yeah. It wasn't on the list, no.
Oh, that's why.
Is it added to the list?
Well, it will be after.
Next time.
The going away list?
Bloody hell, is that you?
It's that sheep over there.
Yeah, is it?
Okay, we'll meet us outside.
Through that one, is it?
Is that the gate?
What gate? Here's my gate. Do you want to be in the vlog? Do you want to be in the vlog?
In a vlog?
A bit blush. 12,199.
Because you've got short legs.
only went to Aldi on Friday.
Did you take that?
Did I say that? Whoa! Well, I think that was a jolly nice walk.
Yeah, it was.
Wasn't too bad.
It was an easy walk.
It was an easy walk.
Yeah.
But yeah, the waterfall was nice. I like going through that forest because it's all autumny.
I like the waterfall.
Should we do a bit of a longer one tomorrow?
Sure.
That means we've got to leave earlier.
Well, yeah, means you've got to get your ass up out of bed, John.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You need to get your ass up out of bed, John.
Whoa, it's not me causing the delays.
A little bit, tiny little weeny bit. But mostly me.
Why don't you make your sandwich tonight, tomorrow?
Oh, but then I don't want it to be all soggy. That's right, I'll make it in the morning.
No, you won't, because it's about time. And you'll be saying to me, you made a few minutes sandwich.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Okay. You want to go to the pub on the way back?
Yeah.
And then go home,
Yeah.
dinner, watch that programme.
Yeah.
It's going to petrify me
Yeah.
into not sleeping.
Yeah.
Go to bed and wake up and do the walk.
Yeah.
That's pretty much all the Lake District is.
Yeah.
Walking.
Yeah.
Although I feel like it would be nice to go and like drive around a bit so you get to see it a bit more. See like the beautiful mountain scenery and stuff. I think it'd be really lovely. We could go and see another waterfall. I'm pretty sure there's one near Ullswater we could go and see. Yeah, let's go to the pub then.
Yeah,
Have we just started the walk and I'm already
slowly.
out. I'm already done, I've tapped out. But today we are... No, don't touch the fence.
What?
It's fine like being with a kid, honestly. Electric fence, don't touch it.
Is it actually electric? I don't see sign. Definitely looks it.
Yeah. Today we are going to walk to Tarn Hows from Hawkshead.
A berg vent at the top.
No. You know Tarn Hows isn't like a mountain or anything, right?
So if we go to the top of the mountain, they've got a berg vent at the top of
Yeah. So
Oh,
that's
what are
Snowdon.
we doing?
Oh, I want to take my jumper now.
Oh mate. You know I have to take the piss, don't you?
What did I say before we left?
Those people on crutches walking faster than us.
What did I say before we left?
That you take it off after the first 50 yards.
Yeah.
And I was like, why
What's the
bother putting it on?
point?
How could I be told? Yes, for 50 yards. Subject lost. Abort mission.
Can you have my bag?
Every fucking day.
Should we wait for these people to pass?
No, just get on with it. There's no need for this to be happening right now, is there?
Well, yeah, there is, because I can't. And I'll walk without.
So does that mean the next walk, you're going to start off with that in the bag then?
Okay.
Alright, we've got a compromise here, folks. Look like some weird scarecrow. They're walking faster.
They're not fucking crutches, they're walking poles.
I know, it was a joke, you idiot. Call me an
You haven't
idiot.
done this.
No. I'm going to do a sweeping pan shot while I'm waiting.
I'm grumpy today.
You think? There you go. There's your bag.
Do you want to carry my bag? So fun. So good.
So pass through another swing gate, 150 yards distant.
I love these walks.
They're pretty.
They're like walkthroughs. I think it was like £2.50 from the Visitors Information Centre thing in Hawkshead. So, not bad. Ooh, he's going this way. Are we lost?
No.
Okay then. Just racing ahead, look. I stop to take in the scenery and how quiet it is. Okay, he's gone. Classic James behaviour. taking the hoppers to Isengard. Look at the slow coach. Always waiting for him. Tarn Hows. Tarn Hows.
Go straight across the lane.
It's almost lunchtime. You want to sit down? Lunch?
Going over there.
Here we are. Bench.
Soaking wet. Oh.
Look at that. Shame it's such a misty day. It's a bit spooky, isn't it?
Halloween vibe.
I just walked past a woman who also doesn't have a coat on and is in short sleeves. And she said to James, "It's nice to know I'm not the only one." She said it's too hot and he said it's way too hot. And then as we started walking off, she turned around and said, "Are you menopausal by any chance?" And James had no comment. And we all had a bit of a giggle and walked on our merry way to find a bench for lunch. Because I think I've convinced James now that if we find a bench, we can have lunch. That's the reason why I do these walks. What, you think I do it for the exercise? Think I do it for the enjoyment? Being out of breath and sweaty? There is no bench, yeah. Look how beautiful. And the scenery, gosh. Don't look at my boyfriend, jeez. Should we sit here for lunch? James! What's wrong me? You want me to do it to you?
And if you want to get even.
Fine then. There was probably not any water left now.
Okay.
Yeah, you forgot something.
Oh shit.
My head is soaking now.
No honeys?
No.
Not even a tiny bit, even later?
Maybe later. Men.
Sorry, it's because I'm menopausal.
It's because you're menopausal. Whoa, you're right. It's a bit slippy, these routes. That'll do.
That'll do, donkey.
That'll do. We're almost there. We're going to have a nice hot shower. Wash my hair. Turn the heating right up. And we are meeting up with my parents to have dinner tonight in Hawkshead. Fingers crossed there's a table available. Oh dear, if there's not. We're almost there. Yay! I got a Grumpy James on my hands. Tables have turned. That's where we're going to do. Oh, climbing these stairs. Well done. How do you feel after that walk? Time for a shower. Thank you. You just put salt in it. See, this is where they're going wrong. Scissors. Pizza scissors.
Tell the chef.
Get them on Amazon. $6.99. first. I'll be the big strong one. Ooh. It's pretty cool, right?
Yeah, it is actually cool. Not as good as the ones I make you.
I'm sorry, but no.
As long as there's a bench.
I'm not as young as I used to be, James.
I don't mind.
What are people going to do? This, ladies and gentlemen, is the main master bedroom.
Do you know?
The Muffin Man? The Muffin Man! The Muffin Man!
Glad you're driving, because that would have just given me a panic attack.